We are Jenny and Justin, and today we are boondocking in Alaska. We're cooking whiskey barbecue chicken over the fire, grilling peaches for dessert, salmon fishing on the Kenai River, and making a bushcraft chair.
All right, we got in last night. It was rainy and wet, but it is sunny and nice today. I'm heading to the Kenai River to catch some sockeye salmon, so I just need to get some waders on and some bear protection, and let's head to the river. So what that sign back there said is that brown bears have been frequenting this area recently over the last few days. So I got to keep a sharp eye out and make noise, because the last thing we want to do is come around the corner and startle a grizzly bear. This spot is just too deep.
The bear is not even 5 minutes up there, 40, 50 yards off the trail. Walked right past him and didn't know.
Yeah.
On the way back we saw him.
All right.
I think, I don't know if I want to deal with that.
Well, just came across a group of hikers that said there was a brown bear right off the trail, right by the fishing spot. So I'm not gonna go ahead and mess with that business. I'm gonna head back downstream and see if I can find a better spot.
While Justin is kayaking, I figured I would take you guys with me and check out these really cool flowers that I found next to our campsite. I found some really cool ones, along with all the mosquitoes here, fairly close to the camper that are kind of cool looking. These lovelies are called Areophorum calatrix. Up here we just call them Arctic cotton, but these are kind of like trufula trees.
Did you chop down this tree? No.
So each one of these furry stems has a tiny little seed on the bottom that will get carried away in the wind. Alaska nature is so beautiful, and it's definitely worth the time to slow down and check it all out. Let's see how Justin is doing back on the Kenai.
Whew. That was sketchy. Well, I've been here for a few hours and haven't gotten anything, so I think I'm gonna pack it up and head back to camp. I'm gonna get smart and use this as a pole to help stabilize myself this time, because that's pretty swift over there. Whew. Oh man. Holy, more swift than it looks. That was sketchy. So it is a little early for the sockeye to be up here. They're still down in the lower Kenai for the most part, but there's been a few caught up here. And a buddy of mine said he saw a few schools go through, so we spent some time, tried our luck, and weren't successful, but any day fishing is better than a day at work. Well, since I didn't catch any fish, I'm gonna make myself a bushcraft chair that I can sit and pout on while Jenny makes an awesome dinner.
So today we're gonna be making whiskey barbecue chicken, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get this marinated so that we can start cooking it here in a couple hours over an open fire. We're gonna put all the measurements in the description below. I'm gonna be using some ketchup, some dark molasses, some Dijon mustard. Oh! Oops. We're gonna dump this bad boy in there. A little bit for me first. All right. A little bit of Wash Your Sister sauce. We've got some apple cider vinegar. And a little bit of minced garlic. So we're just gonna go ahead and marinate this stuff for a couple hours, and I'm gonna pass it over to Justin. Dang, babe. Your arms are arming.
Thanks. All right, we're just waiting for the fire to mature, so we got a good bed of coal so Jenny can start cooking her chicken. Yeah!
Ooh, that's hot.
What's for dessert?
We are having peaches. Grilled peaches with honey and cinnamon.
I'm getting hungry. I can tell you that right now. I'm ready for chicken. All right, Jenny's whiskey barbecue chicken and Caesar salad. Gonna do the first taste test.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty good.
And that was delicious. Time for dessert. We don't usually do dessert, but tonight we've got something special. Yeah. All right, time to flip. Oh yeah. Oh man, right there. That was delicious. Gonna sit back and enjoy the views. Oh geez, these windows are dirty. We should clean these. So I was gonna try out this shepherd sling that my father-in-law made for me. It's just 2 ropes here tied with a piece of leather. Got a loop on one end that hooks to your finger. Just grab onto the other and you take a rock or something else, some other projectile, swing it around and throw it. And I bet you I can hit that bottle right there. Nailed it. Well, I got some practicing to do, but you can tell you can get pretty accurate with that. Just gonna show you guys a plant we got by the camper over here. It's a pretty cool plant. So this is called yarrow. It looks like cow parsnip, which is actually poisonous. Yarrow is actually medicinal and used for all kinds of different things. You can tell the difference between cow parsnip and yarrow by the leaves. The yarrow leaves are these little shredded looking things. Yarrow has all kinds of medicinal uses. You can use it as an insect repellent. It can be used as an anti-inflammatory. It can be used to help menstrual cramps. It can be used to regulate body temperature by promoting sweating. All kinds of different uses for it. Pretty cool to have that around.
I'm curious to see what you guys are doing out there, where you're going, what kind of foods you're cooking, things that you're into when you're camping and just out in nature in general. So leave us a comment on what you guys like to do, because we actually like talking with you guys and we respond to every single comment.
I think we're gonna go ahead and hunker down, watch a movie, enjoy the views for a little bit, and probably call it a night, and we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys wanna see more RV camping in Alaska, be sure to check out our RV Camping in Alaska playlist. And if you're into solo camping, check out our Solo Camping in Alaska playlist. We'll see you on the next one.
Hey, thanks for watching.